Are you looking for the best RC planes? In this video we will look at some of the best RC planes the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Hobbyzone Carbon Cub S2 1.3M RTF Basic. The Hobbyzone Carbon Cub S2 1.3M RTF Basic is a dream come true for anyone eager to experience the thrill of RC flying. This model, a scale replica of the iconic Carbon Cub by Cubcrafters, is designed with beginners in mind but doesn't skimp on performance or versatility. It's equipped with Horizon Hobby's innovative safe technology, making it incredibly user-friendly and forgiving for new pilots. Whether you're taking off from grass, gravel, or even water, with optional floats, this plane promises a smooth and enjoyable flight experience. Wingspan, 1.3 meters, providing stable flight. Power system, efficient brushless motor with a 38 telemetry-capable ESC. Battery compatibility, works best with a 3S 1300 mAh for balanced performance or a 3S 2200 mAh for extended flight times. Flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and experienced, easily switchable. Additional features, optional Safe Plus GPS technology, panic recovery mode, and landing assist sensor for smoother landings. The Carbon Cub S2 is crafted from durable EPO material, balancing toughness with lightweight construction. Its robust landing gear, equipped with oversized Tundra-style tires, ensures resilience across various terrains. The attention to detail in its design not only enhances its durability but also its aesthetic appeal, making it a visually stunning model both on the ground and in the air. Flying the Carbon Cub S2 is an absolute joy. Its stability in various conditions, from calm days to breezier scenarios, is impressive. The different flight modes allow you to gradually challenge yourself as your skills improve. The panic recovery feature is a lifesaver, providing peace of mind and reducing the risk of crashes. Its handling is intuitive, making each flight a rewarding experience. You'll adore the Carbon Cub S2 for its user-friendly nature, making it perfect for beginners. Its versatility in takeoff and landing surfaces, coupled with the option to add floats, opens up a world of flying opportunities. The safe technology ensures a stress-free learning curve, and the potential for aerobatics in experienced mode means this plane will continue to excite you as your skills advance. The Hobbyzone Carbon Cub S2 1.3M RTF Basic is ideal for anyone starting their journey into RC flying. Its forgiving nature and scalable difficulty levels make it perfect for beginners. However, its aerobatic capabilities also appeal to more experienced pilots looking for a versatile and reliable aircraft. If you're seeking a blend of ease, fun, and potential for growth in your flying skills, this is the plane for you. Number 2. Hangar 9 Carbon Cub 15 cubic centimeters ARF. The Hangar 9 Carbon Cub 15 cubic centimeters ARF is a marvel in the world of RC planes, offering an unparalleled blend of performance, quality, and enjoyment. This model stands out as a top-tier choice for both hobbyists and serious RC enthusiasts. Its design is a nod to the classic Cub but with modern enhancements that cater to today's RC pilots' needs. The Hangar 9 Carbon Cub is crafted with high-quality materials, ensuring both durability and a visually stunning appearance. The lightweight, laser-cut balsa and plywood construction provide a sturdy frame, while the genuine ultracoat film covering adds a sleek, professional finish. The attention to detail in the design and ergonomics of this model makes it not just a flying machine but a work of art. Our experience with this RC plane. Flying the Hangar 9 Carbon Cub is an exhilarating experience. It handles beautifully in various conditions, demonstrating stability and agility. The plane's responsiveness and reliability make every flight enjoyable, whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot. Its performance in takeoffs and landings is exceptionally smooth, making it a joy to fly. Number 3. Eik P51D Mustang 1.5M BNF Basic. The Eik P51D Mustang 1.5M BNF Basic is a remarkable RC plane that stands out in the world of remote-controlled aviation. It's not just a model, it's a near-perfect replica of the legendary P51D Mustang, famed for its role in World War II. This RC plane is designed for enthusiasts who appreciate historical accuracy combined with modern technology. The Eik P51D Mustang is crafted from high-quality EPO foam, known for its durability and lightweight properties. The attention to detail in the paintwork and decals is exceptional, capturing the iconic look of the World War II fighter. The plane's construction is robust, designed to withstand the rigors of regular flying while maintaining its aesthetic appeal. Our experience with this RC plane. Flying the Eik P51D Mustang is a thrilling experience. Its powerful motor and large wingspan ensure stable yet agile flight characteristics. The AS3X technology smooths out the effects of wind and turbulence, while Safe Select offers an added layer of security for less experienced pilots. This plane excels in various conditions, from calm days to breezy afternoons, demonstrating consistent reliability and handling. Number 4. Hobbyzone Aeros Scotus S2 1.1M RTF Basic. The Hobbyzone Aeros Scotus S2 1.1M RTF Basic is a testament to the perfect blend of user-friendliness and robust performance. Designed for both beginners and seasoned flyers, this RC plane stands out with its unique pusher power configuration and safe technology, ensuring a safe and enjoyable flying experience. Its versatility is unmatched, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking to dive into the world of RC aviation. Technical specifications. Wingspan, 1.1 meters, providing stable flight. Weight, lightweight yet durable EPO construction. Battery compatibility, 3S 1300 mAh for balanced performance or 3S 2200 mAh for extended flight times. Controller, Spectrum DXS with DSMX 2.4 GHz technology. Receiver, Spectrum AR631 with flyby range telemetry. Motor, efficient brushless power system. Flight modes, beginner, intermediate, and experienced, with panic recovery mode. The Aeros S2 is crafted from high-quality EPO material, ensuring durability without compromising on weight. The design focuses on resilience, with a metal-geared rudder and nose steering servo for enhanced longevity. Its ergonomic design not only makes it aesthetically pleasing but also contributes to its robustness, making it a reliable companion for your aerial adventures. Flying the Aeros S2 is a delightful experience. Its stability in various conditions is impressive, and the transition between flight modes is seamless, catering to different skill levels. The panic recovery mode is a standout feature, providing peace of mind during unexpected situations. Overall, its performance is consistent and reliable, making every flight enjoyable.